This is my third attempt at crabbing. And it's pouring rain, so no one's here. I got it all in myself. I kind of tweaked my setup a bit better, so I got good feelings about it. I'm getting some crab today. We got some salmon and we got some turkey. Let's see if that's good enough for the crab buffet. Huh. Well, nothing after a half hour. There's some seals right there just waiting for me to throw some fish in. I gotta try again. Number one. Look at this little guy. Broke the ice. Let's go. Huh. No, only some little teeny ones. Come on. No. Nothing. Fight. So after all that, I only ended up with one crab, but that's okay. Now we're back at my place. I'm going to show you guys how to cook and clean the crab. First, you want to boil some water and you're going to want to salt it. Put tons of salt in it. You pretty much want it to be like seawater. If you cook it in fresh water, it's going to wick all the flavor out of the crab. Now I'm going to put my crab in the freezer for about 25 or 30 minutes. It's going to make it nice and sleepy. We're going to give it a nice spa treatment today. Some cold and hot. There you go. Nice and sleepy. Now I just pop the crab in and we're going to cook it for about 12 to 14 minutes. The general rule of thumb with crab is about 7 minutes per pound. Now at this point, I'm just going to pull them out and pop them straight into some ice water. You want that crab to stop cooking. So you just give it a nice ice bath for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to clean up that crab. And normally I just start by grabbing the back of it, popping the top off. Then you'll see all the gills and innards. Just kind of clean that off as much as you can. Once you got the tail off, you're going to want to pop the mouth area off as well. You just simply crack it in half. And then normally I just shake off all the extra stuff in the sink and rinse it underneath some water. And that's about it. Now you have some nice crab legs good to go for anything you'd like to do with them. I'm just going to pop them into the fridge for tonight and I'll figure something out with them tomorrow. Well, have you ever seen someone prepare crab in pajamas? I didn't think so. You've seen it here first. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support I've been getting. I really enjoyed filming this episode. And if you enjoyed it as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, maybe put a crazy comment. And until next time, peace. Thanks again. Bye. You like crabbing? You live around here?